Guys, this is Redefine Craft and today we are doing an upcycle DIY. So for the first DIY, we will be making a faux plant. For this, you will be needing a small bowl. You can use any plastic bowl that you haven't been using for a while. Next, you will be needing some pebbles. And lastly, some faux leaves which you can take from a faux flower bouquet. Now start by filling the bowl with pebbles up to the top. Take the faux leaves and assemble them in a bunch. To make the arrangement look denser, you can add leaves at different levels. Finally, tie them together with the help of a twig. After that, make a hole in the center of the bowl and place the plant inside and cover it with pebbles. And this is the final look of your faux plant. Now you can place this on your window or on your shelf to add greenery to your room. And you don't have to water them and they will never die. For the next DIY, we are going to upcycle a wooden shelf. So here I am using this old wooden shelf that had gone a little rusty. I upcycled it by giving it 2 to 3 coats of black paint, and this is the final look of the shelf. After the shelf is ready, I used it to display my favorite books, showpieces and souvenirs. Here are some tips for you as well. Firstly, books can be placed both vertically and horizontally. Showpieces can be added as bookends. Add pieces of varying height together. And lastly, add some fun by adding bright colored pieces and greenery to your shelf. For some pieces, you know the perfect place to put them, while others find their place themselves. So here is the final look of my upcycled shelf, and if you liked this mask that I have made, please check out my previous video on how to DIY it. And if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel and have fun DIYing.